Alright, Mr. Blue fans, what's good? As you could tell, this isn't Gorilla Tag.
Yep.
Yo, look at the new Gorilla Tag update!
Yeah, it's amazing!
They added some new cosmetics!
And it looks like we're on cocaine. The gorilla corp is infesting us. Yeah.
Anyways, now it's time to go to hell.
Yay! Literally. Because last time,
We're gonna go meet, Frozie's favorite characters, the Has-Been Hotel cast.
yeah. Mine's Allison. She hated it.
I haven't watched the show.
Secret tunnel.
No spoilers! I'm just kidding, spoil it, I'm never watching
Through
it.
the mountain.
Ooh, SCP Foundation. Ooh, flooring.
SCP Foundation.
Ooh, rideable head. Yeah, get over here. I'm gonna hop on your head, boy.
Get on my head.
I'm on your
I
head.
can't go anywhere. She hated it.
Anyways, here's my new car, the Emmett Pro Max.
Wait.
We gotta wait up.
Why are you so fast? Wait, let me jump on your head. Let me jump on your head.
This is my vehicle, bro. My Emmett SUV.
Give it the passenger. It's on.
Oh, and by the way, Frozie, Jace said you helped get my channel terminated.
Who?
Jace, he said you helped get my channel terminated.
Oh my god! I got yeeted!
Oh my gosh, it's a tech tree.
Oh yeah.
Anyways, it looks like we're about to get mass infected, so let's get out of here.
Alright boys, get on my head. Where's Rosie at?
He got yeeted. What was that? Jesus. Very restless, I hear.
He yeeted me when I let go of him.
Alright, you're gonna need to open the door. Who's gonna volunteer to open it?
Don't open it, don't open it. You have to get on me before you open it.
Man, my screen goes black for some reason when we go near. Who votes Frozie should open
Is
it?
they not shooting balls of like death? Alright boys, let's go. She see me rolling. She hated it. She see me rolling.
Alright, enter the Has-Been Hotel. What is that thing?
Behind us.
What the? Oh, hell no.